Abegbe, my country people, e don settle. Regina Daniels, come and hear something. Come and open your eyes and your ears to see how God has finally turned your enemies against each other. Yes, the people that gang up against you, the people that were rejoicing when Grandpapa Ned Nwoko were busy trying to tarnish your image to the whole world, come see as a God that finally turned them against each other. My country people, they say not be serious wahala, serious fights. They go on between Laila and Chika Ike. My people, this is, in fact, when they say the highest insult to Laila, now be this one so. When Regina Daniels was still with Grandpapa Ned Nwoko, fine, Ned Nwoko, they go outside, go they run things, but according to the information, they say this man never carry any of them come to his house one day. Why? Because he still get that small fear or respect for Regina Daniels. But if una check and balance am now, the way Grandpapa Ned Nwoko take bring Chika Ike in without thinking of the disrespect to the rest of the wives in his house, that's to show say Laila na second option na you be. You are nothing to Grandpapa Ned Nwoko. Yes, so my people, they say not be smart, you know. Make una come see how Laila they look for a way to scatter the relationship between Grandpapa Ned Nwoko and Chika Ike. And make una come see how Chika Ike they try to spoil the business when she meets in Laila's hand. The business when be say Grandpapa Ned Nwoko open give Laila, put it in her name, make she take dey enjoy herself. Not be every time woman will take run come dey meet man say, abeg give me 5 naira, abeg give me 10 naira for that place. My people, now according to the update when we dey receive, they say some days ago Grandpapa Ned Nwoko, he don reach almost 1 year plus now. When Regina Daniels take day with Grandpapa Ned Nwoko, they said Regina Daniels and Laila get issue because of that company when we say Laila they run now, because of that business when Laila they run. Now the reason why they get the issue, because they say now Regina Daniels, now she bring that idea of that business to Grandpapa. At the end of the day, when Regina Daniels and Grandpapa Ned Nwoko can't get issue, whether na Kpekus turn Grandpapa head o, and my people, I don't know what it turn am o. Regina Daniels said before she come back home, the matter don't change. Grandpapa don't carry all the documents, give Laila, say make Laila continue to run the business. In fact, they hasting up and finish the building of the business. Now, that was how Regina Daniels leave everything for Laila. At that time, they say Grandpapa come dey beg Regina Daniels say, make she not worry. Say he go provide everything when Regina Daniels need to focus on her Nollywood career as a producer, director. So, my country people, now, they say since when the Chika Ike arrive, it's like Chika Ike they look the way Laila take they run the business. Since then, the time when we say Grandpapa they ask for the statement of account of that business, my people, it don't reach more than a year. Now they say recently, all of a sudden, they say Grandpapa Ned Nwoko start to tell Laila say make he come they bring how much they gain for that place, how they spend the money. Meanwhile, not knowing that, according to the updates, they can't go tell Grandpapa say Laila get 2 boutiques for Morocco when she opened for herself. It be like say Laila do it in secret. Laila be not want make Grandpapa there where say she get that kind of thing for Morocco. And now they say all of a suddenly Grandpapa come they ask say make Laila come dey submit how e take dey spend the money and how much dey that account, that business account by country people. They say the thing shock Laila. Laila look up, she look ground. She come begin to dey ask the reason why grandpapa all of a sudden dey request for all those things. After all, you already told her that na her own personal business. My people, the thing shock Laila. They say before you know, grandpapa say Laila must surely provide everything. Say he give Laila 2 days. Make Laila take provide all the documents, all the pay slip, all the payout, everything. How he take spend the money, say make it they bring all of them, they come out. Say he open up for Laila. That doesn't mean say Laila will just spend the money anyhow. Say he open that business for Laila. Make Laila take they support the family. Fine, not be every time. Say since when it open that business for Laila won't buy clothes for children, he go still come meet her. Laila won't buy food stuff, he go still come meet her. If Laila won't buy anything, he go still come meet her. Say he no understand what did happen. So he want to really know, say, if Laila, you are not getting money for that place. My people, now they said the thing, it shocked Laila. Laila come begin to the dig ground. Laila come begin to define and say who is behind this. Who is behind it? Because according to Laila says since when Chika Ikete arrived, now grandpapa start to dey ask her about those things. Now later now they say Laila, we not gonna know where they say Laila for find out too. They say Laila come find out say now Chika Ike. Now he tell grandpapa say make grandpapa ask Laila how he take they spend that money. Una know say like 2 months ago, Chika Ike travel to Morocco. Chika Ike travel to Morocco. Make una go check her. He did her page for that place. He did her IG page. Make una go see her. She traveled to that place. They say now when Chika Ike take travel go Morocco, and where they say Laila open that boutique put na very open place. They say na Laila open her put. Say Laila open her close to their bar beach for Morocco, where things for the go on, where things for the happen, center of Morocco. They say na Laila open the 2 boutique put. So when Chika Ike reach Morocco, they say Chika Ike, she won't do shopping. They say that was how Chika Ike bounced into Laila junior sister. So Chika Ike can't do as he say he not even know Laila junior sister. I say Chika Ike can't use it direct, can't use it dies. He can't carefully video everything about that shop. Also video Laila sister and the name when Laila put for that shop. Meanwhile, they say Laila not even put a grandpapa name attached to that shop. They said there was nothing like that when Chika Ike video do that video. After I done video Anna, not knowing that Chika Ike keep all those things, so my people make na the CEO. They say Chika Ike reached grandpapa recently. According to the information, they say Chika Ike be not even bring those things come out to before. Say now because of the way Laila Conte they give Chika Ike body hit recently now. When be say Laila don't see and say Chika Ike don't they disturb her. Chika Ike don't they distract the attention away from her. Now he make her Chika Ike can begin to the guys Laila can the verse. Now Laila now not can let Chika Ike get us of mind for that house. They look for a way to make sure say it scatter the relationship between grandpapa and Edwonko. And we all know say grandpapa and Edwonko need Chika Ike because of his election. Because at the same man I come out can talk and say he can never marry a divorcee or woman when be say she not be very say he can never marry such a woman. He not get what they use and they do. We surprised now say today say Ekita don't finally swallow the waiting don't chop throw away for grant. My country people, they say now no matter what grandpapa will tell, no matter what Laila will tell grandpapa about Chika Ike, grandpapa not the listening. No, you never they give Laila listening ear again. No, our second usher mommy, you know they give her listening ear. My people not be smart, you know. It can't be like say the time be say Regina Dan take day with grandpapa. Laila see they get breeze when they breeze and small. But as Regina Daniel just come out now, nothing like breeze. As Chika Ike enter, Laila not even they see breeze at all. Everything just dey silent when it comes to Grandpapa and Laila. My people not be smart, you know. They say now Laila come find and say, na Chika Ike, na I go tell Grandpapa all those things. Na his sister na I come tell her say, he see Chika Ike when she take travel come Morocco for vacation. Say Chika Ike come her shop, come buy things. She can't even they do video. Say no even suspect anything. Say he see her. My say she see Chika Ike o. Na dear na Laila for come no say. Na Chika Ike na I go dey tell Grandpapa everything. Na I go dey tell Grandpapa everything. Before when Regina Daniel tell with this man, the update fair come as so say Laila get to boutique for Morocco. But Grandpapa not believe. He say na lie. Because that time, Laila John Nunu start the business. He not believe. He say na lie. Now when we say Chika Ike can't do video everything. Can't show Grandpapa Nedwonko. Before the man can believe say true. Laila na Camelio na ibi. So my people not they here. Anyway, Chika Ike they look for how you want to spoil business for Laila. Laila they look for a way to make sure say Chika Ike come up for the relationship because she's no longer comfortable. The same people that gang up against Regina Daniels, they are no longer comfortable in their friendship. Okotorikpa. Yes, so now the prayer when we supposed to they pray for our enemies, now it be this one so. May they start to fight may they start to fight against each other. Yes. When Bible talk and say surely they will gather. If that God is not for the name of God, they must surely scatter. Now it be this matter so. Una gang up and gather against a little girl, Regina Daniels. Na gang up against her, Laila and Chika Ike. But today, God don't release the spirit of confusion in you people miss. Make na continue to fight with yourself. Regina Daniels, sit down. Only with your eyes you go witness everything will be said the way God they scatter them. My country people, more update concerning this matter. Grandpapa house now don't turn to war zone. Make una tell us for the comment section what you think, my people. All my subscriber, una do well. My returning subscriber, God bless you now. My people, today na no first time when they come across this our channel. Make una not forget to subscribe. Make una hit that button. Anytime we say another update like this lands, una will be the #1 person to know say another update don't finally land. I will see you next time. Una bye bye you.